Good morning, student. Today's our subject is history. So we will see what we learn. Lesson number first, the Indian subcontinent and history. What we learn in this lesson? We learn about the history and geographical condition, how depend on to each other, and why we call the India subcontinent. This information we got in first lesson. Now lesson number 2, sources of history. How many types of sources is there, student? 3 types of: written, oral and material sources. And what is meant by a source? Sources means a birthplace. We get the things from where that we call the source. This thing we learn in this lesson number 2. Okay. Next, lesson number 3, the Harappan civilization. In this lesson, we got the information about their living standard, like house, town planning, which things they are using at that time, which types of business and trades are there. This information we got in this lesson number 3. Okay. Next, lesson number 4, the Vedic civilization. In this lesson, we learn about the Vedic civilization and their day-to-day life. Okay. In that, 4 Vedas about they explain. These are Rigved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharvaved. Okay. Then lesson number 5 is cancel. Now we will see about the lesson number 6. Janpada and Mahajanpadas are there. In this lesson, we learn about the Janpada means what? Small state they call the Janpadas, and whatever the big and extended states are there, that they call Mahajanpadas are there. There are 4 types of Mahajanpadas is famous: Kosla, Vatsa, Avanti and Magad. And one more thing we learn in this lesson, that is how the decline मगध एम्परर म्हणजे मगध साम्राज्याचे नाश कसा झाला हे आपण शिकलो. नेक्स्ट लेसन इज द इंडिया ड्युरिंग द मौर्य period. In this lesson we learn about the Alexander invasion, why he come in India and how he returned back. That all story we learn in this lesson. One again important thing we learn in this lesson about the Maurya emperor. Maurya emperor's first king was Chandragupta. After his son Bindusara and Bindusara's after last king Ashoka was there. Ashoka stopped the war because of move by the bloodshed of Kalinga war. म्हणजे कलिंगा वॉरमध्ये त्यांनी जो रक्तपात पाहिला तेव्हापासून त्यांनी राज्यात युद्ध करण्यासाठी बंदी केली आणि तोही युद्ध करायचा नाही. दया, क्षमा, शांती या 4 गोष्टीवर त्यांनी राज्य करायला सुरुवात केली. Student, lesson number 1 to 7 we studied. I hope you understand all this lesson. Once read carefully lesson one by one. Okay. Now we will see in next video lesson number 8. Thank you.